Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. Today we are going to learn more about fraction. Now let us understand what are fractions. The number of the form a by b, where a and b are both natural numbers, are known as fractions. Basically, fraction is a part of collection. Here I take 12 balls and out of that I shaded 6 balls. So my fraction would be 6 by 12. As 6 and 12 come in the table of 2, so I divide both the number with the same number. It will become 1 by 2 in its simplest form. Now, if I use the same example but in different manner, like I put all the shaded balls in one box and all unshaded in another, then what I find that half of my collection is shaded and half of my collection is unshaded. So basically, what is the fraction of shaded portion? It is 1 by 2 of whole, half of whole. This is known as fraction. Now let us understand how to find fraction of a collection. For example, if I have 24 toffees and I have to give 3/4 of them to one of my friends. Now what is the way to find out? I just count out 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. No, that is very lengthy way. So we use the short method. Instead of, I use product sign, write 3 by 4 multiply 24. Now check out if these two number comes in any table. As 4 6 are 24, so I divide both the number with 4. I get 6, 3 is already there. So we multiply 3 with 6, it is 18. So my friend get 18 toffees and only 6 are left with me. This is how we find fraction of a collection. Now let us understand what are proper fraction. Fractions where numerator is less than denominator. The proper fraction are those fractions in which your numerator is less than denominator. They are known as proper fraction. In case of improper fraction, your numerator will be greater than your denominator. That means your numerator is greater than your denominator. In this case, you find your numerator is 17, whereas denominator is 6. 17 is greater than 6. Now what is mixed fraction? It is the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. Basically, all the improper fractions can be changed into mixed fraction, but proper fraction cannot be changed into mixed fraction. Now let us understand how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let us take example of mixed fraction. It is 2 3 by 5. How to read it? 2 3 by 5. So what we do? We multiply these two numbers, whole number with the denominator and add numerator in that. 2 multiply 5 plus 3 upon denominator. It will become 10 plus 3 by 5 or 13 by 5. So in case of mixed fraction, which we have to convert into improper fraction, first we multiply whole number with the denominator, then add numerator in it. Denominator remains same at its place and then write whatever the value you get. Now how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? I take example 19 by 7. 19 by 7 numerator upon denominator, it is 7. So just divide your numerator with your denominator. I divide 19 by 7. It gives you 2 as your quotient and 5 as your remainder. Whatever is your remainder, it will become your numerator. The number from which you divide will become your denominator, and whatever the quotient you get, it will become your whole number. So it can be written as 2 5/7. If you want to check whether it is correct or not, or whether you put the numbers on its right place, so what to do? The same way, multiply these two numbers and then add that. Now I check it. 2 7s are 14 plus 5 give you 19, and denominator is 7, which is same as our improper fraction. In this way you can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now let's understand what are equivalent fraction. Have a look to this figure. It is a whole number which is divided into two parts. One of its part is shaded and one remain unshaded. So what will be the fraction? It is 1/2. Now have a look to another example. It is divided into 8 equal parts, out of which 4 are shaded. So what is the fraction of it? It can be written as 4/8. Since 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4, I divide both of these numbers and I got 1/2. Now let us see another figure. It is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 5 are shaded and 5 are unshaded. So what will be the fraction of shaded? It is 5/10. Again, both the number are divisible by 5. So it will become 1/2. All these three are example of equivalent fraction. So basically, what is the defining of equivalent fraction? Two or more fraction which represent the same value of whole. When we look at it, it shows half part of that. It is also half of whole, and that is also half of whole. So these are the example of equivalent fraction. Now what we learned today is what is fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, equivalent fraction, how to convert mixed fraction into improper, and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and the main part, how to find fractional portion of the collection. I hope I make myself clear, and now you are able to identify and to convert these numbers according to the question. For more updates, keep watching my channel My Way Learning. Thanks for watching me.